Hello beautiful people and welcome to the BLG channel. Today we're gonna see how to make GreedFall work under Linux. As always, we're gonna need lutris. If you don't know how to install it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And we're gonna need to, first of all, we're gonna need to create a new WINEPREFIX, which we'll need to do it in terminal. So copy the command, I will leave it below, and we're gonna make some changes in it. First of all, we're gonna need to make changes for the username, which will do a $user, all caps, and for the WINEPREFIX, name it as you want. I'm gonna name it GreedFall. So after that is done, hit enter and the WINEPREFIX will create itself. Wait for the download to finish. So let's let it continue. We are going to make our game in lutris. As always, add game and name it GreedFall so the artwork will show up. Name it as I did so your artwork will show up. Select wine runs for Windows games, and for the default prefix we're gonna make it 64-bit and let it continue, and we're gonna select our game directory. Select the game, hit enter, and for the game directory you can select working directory, you can select the game without the exe file, and now we're gonna set up our lutris runtime. I'm having this lutris Novoshak. You can do the latest runtime, or anything above 4.15 will work. So yeah, we can enable DXVK, which will get us good performance. It should run on 1.4.3 and above. We can enable async for smooth gameplay. I'm gonna add a little bit of commands to see our FPS, what we are getting, which will be DXVK underscore HUD, and FPS, comma, frame times to see the FPS and our frame times. After that, hit enter and hit save, and this should be all alright. Yep, it's all alright. So we are gonna need the WINEPREFIX. After it's done creating it, we're gonna hit save for now, and as you see, the artwork has shown up. So after the WINEPREFIX has finished setting up, you can leave it as is, but I'm gonna run it on Windows 10. I saw a bit of performance gain under that. And now, after the WINEPREFIX is done, we can exit terminal. So we're gonna access our WINEPREFIX, which is in home, our username, and .greedfall as we wrote it. As you see, there is our WINEPREFIX. We can now copy it, and we're gonna need to install a little bit of a patch so we can make this work. Copy your WINEPREFIX to the command, I'm gonna leave it below, which is this GitHub. I'm gonna leave the link to this GitHub down below in the description as well. Download its zip file and wait for it to finish and extract it. As you can see, it finished downloading, extracted, access its directory, and open terminal in its directory. Now copy the command and hit enter, and now we need to run the script to install the patch. After the script has done installing, we can now clear and exit. Now we need the game won't run because we didn't select our wine directory which has applied the patch to it. So as you can see, it won't run. We're gonna need to select it, our wine prefix, which we will go in our game settings and wine prefix and browse and select our wine prefix, which is in root home and our username and the name of the directory. Select OK, hit save, and now run the game. Wait a bit for the wine runtime to complete its setup. As you can see, the game is running. We're gonna show a little bit of the gameplay to see the stutter on the beginning. It's alright, don't worry. It should eliminate itself out. If it didn't, I'm gonna leave 2 commands below you're gonna need to add after the DXVK underscore HUD. As you can see, the game is running well. The frame rate is alright. I'm running it on high on low end system. I should drop the graphics settings to low so I can run it well. But the choppiness will ease itself out after half an hour of gameplay. As I said, if it didn't in your case, I'm gonna leave some tweaks you can do in the description below. So yeah, that was it, guys. If you get something good from this tutorial, hit the like. If you didn't, hit the dislike button, and see you all in the next one.